I'm Sophie.
Hi, I'm Sarah, and we're Sophie and Sarah.
Thank you for joining us today on this video.
Now let's get right into the video. Woo!
Hey guys, and welcome back to another Sophie Sunday. So this is a little different because I'm actually going to be starting a series. I know, it's kind of crazy, because something big is kind of happening, and my family and I are moving to a different state. It's nuts, and it's happening a month from now, which is April 25th, and it's all just completely insane, and I thought I would take you guys along with me. So today's episode, I'm going to be cleaning, kind of cleaning out my clothes and my shoes, all that stuff, and deciding what I really want to take with me to a new house and what I don't really want anymore, don't really wear, etc. And I'm going to be keeping some clothes in my closet because, you know, I need clothes to wear for the next month. And I'm going to be putting the majority of it in boxes to be packed away and going to Oregon. So yeah, I thought it would be fun to take you guys along with me on this journey as I pack, get ready, and move to a new house. So let's get to it.
Just a quick little disclaimer before we start this video. This video is not at all meant to brag about how much clothes I have or anything like that. It's just to bring you guys along with me while I clean out my closet and pack the clothes I need to bring with me when I move in a month. And I thought it'd be a great start to the new series, so I hope you guys enjoy it.
So right now, I'm going to be starting off with the KonMari Method by Marie Kondo. You should definitely check out her series on Netflix because my family and I have learned so much from her advice on organizing, cleaning, and just decluttering our lives. So it's just super awesome. This isn't promoted by her or anything. I'm just saying, if you want to declutter, check her out. So let's get started. So now I'm going to be doing these drawers. The top drawer has like my socks and stuff and also scarves, and then this little drawer inside there has, ignore all the messiness, but it has kind of old t-shirts, hats, scarves, kind of just clothing where I didn't know where else to put it. And then in here is all of my pajamas. And in there's makeup, so we're not doing that today, but we're doing the top two drawers. So I'm gonna clean these out and put them next to all the clothes that are already on my bed, so let's do it. Kim and Courtney like fighting, like physically like hitting each other. Yeah, and like Courtney like scratched Kim, and Kim had like a cut, like a deep cut.
I swear I feel like their nieces and nephews are gonna be like
scarred for life.
yeah. like
Scarred for life.
like we can show like
So now that we've done these two drawers here and the closet, we are going to do the two boxes under my bed, which are leggings plus like some shorts and my old dance clothes. So let's do it. Can you stop it?
Round 1 is where I'm going to be looking at all of the clothes on my bed at the same time, and I'm going to try to get rid of as many clothes as possible.
So now that we have all the clothes, honestly this is like way more than I expected, even though like I see my clothes in my closet and all that stuff. Having it all in one place, it is part of the KonMari method because it makes you just like see see how much you really have and how much you don't need all of this. Like, I don't need all of these clothes, and I know that. So I have cleaned out my clothes relatively recently, so there won't be any like big shocks. Like, I know what's in here, but I'm hoping to get rid of some clothes today because I don't need all of this. Like, this is a lot. So anything I can get rid of is good. So with that said, let's get into it. So what I'm doing is I'm looking at it and seeing, do I wear this? 1, yes, I wear this pair of pants often. And 2, am I going to be excited the next time I wear them? And that's yes, I love these pants. So I'm going to keep them because they're nice and they're really comfy. These are like my go-to pants, like leggings. They are the most comfy, warm pants ever. This nightgown is like the most comfortable thing ever. It's like so nice. I mean, it's like too hot to wear right now, but it's so comfortable. So I'm glad I keep it. These pants are like the comfiest pajama pants I have, and they're like so nice. These thermals my mom gave me, they're like so comfy. And this is the onesie I have, and it's like so cute and so comfy, and I'm just like, so nice. These pants are extra comfy and they're so nice. I've had these for like so long because they're so comfy, but like, it's so comfy. I think you would like this. It's really like, feel it, like it's so stretchy and comfy. I think I'm not gonna keep it though. Counting the bed, obviously. Oh no, what are you doing, baby?
So for round 2, I am putting the clothes in different categories, then going through each of those categories to see which of the clothes I want to get rid of in there, and also just to see how much I really need.
Alright, so right now, I have 24 dresses left. Last night I went through and got rid of, because I had 33 before, so I got rid of 9, and I still have 24, so I'm going to go through and try to get rid of at least 4 more, but we'll see, because I really like my dresses. So let's start. I love this dress. It is so cute. Like, I love anything with stripes on it, and you'll see that when we get to my sweaters. Like, most of them have stripes on them. I love stripes, so yes, I love the dress. This is what it looks like, and my mom has like the same kind but in pink, and I really like this blue one. I think it's just really pretty. This one is probably definitely my longest dress, and it's really pretty. Like, oh my god, I think I might want to wear it for like my 18th birthday. And it's really long, and it's like such a pretty color. T-shirt slash tank top slash workout tops, all of that total comes out to 56. I'm gonna set my goal right now at 20, and we'll see where we go from there. Like, get rid of 20. Let's get to it. The boy Ed, yes, I don't get kisses because she was like, I love this tank top, Mean Girls reference. It's really cute. I know it looks super short, but it's like cropped, so it's supposed to be worn. Oh, girl. My first musical, Beauty and the Beast. So this one's also sentimental to me because it was from my next musical, You're a Good Man, Charlie Brown, where I played Snoopy, and this is one of the shirts I wore on stage. I have 46 long sleeve slash sweaters. It'll actually be cold enough to wear this sweater in the winter, because like a lot of time I don't wear it here because it's not cold enough. So I got rid of, I had 46 and now I have 39. So I got rid of 7. I know how to do math. I got rid of 7 articles of clothing. I know it's not much, But like I said earlier, I'm moving to Oregon, so I thought like I'm probably gonna need more sweaters than I do here. If I was staying here, I'd probably get rid of more, but I'm going to a place that's a lot colder than where I live now, and I get cold super easily, so I think sweaters will be really beneficial.
So I decided to only show you guys 3 of the categories for which I sorted and put into keep and get rid of piles, because the video just would have been way too long if I showed you guys everything. So these are the numbers, and keep in mind that these numbers are only for day 2, because when I did it on day 1 and I did the whole pile at once, I did not count what I kept and got rid of. So yeah, now we will be moving on to shoes.
Alright, so now it is time for part 2. So if you've tuned into this part of the video, you're going to be watching me organize my shoes. Yay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay them all out here, and then I'm going to decide which ones I'm going to keep and not keep, and then I'm going to decide which shoes to put in boxes, or a box, and which shoes to keep here while I live here for the next month. So let's get started. Thank you guys so much for coming along with me on what's been a very long day of packing my clothes and organizing them and getting rid of clothes I don't really need, and same with my shoes, packing them all up and getting ready to move next month, a month from today. Like, I can't even fathom what it's gonna be like. And I'm just so excited to say that I'm starting a new series and to be completing episode 1 with you guys. And I really hope that if you watch this episode that you stick around, because there's gonna be a lot more fun episodes like moving vlog and painting my new room and all of that, along with more packing and organizing coming up in the near future. I really hope you guys enjoyed, so thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Thank you for watching this video by Sophie and Sarah. There's another video you may enjoy right here, and you can click right here to subscribe for more sunshine and stupidity.
And you can click the notification bell to get an alert anytime we post a new video. Thanks for watching!